My name is Tate. I'm from Hudson, Colorado. I like Hudson because it's a small town feel. It's close proximity enough to the city to be able to have a job in the city, but also to be able to get out to the country, enjoy our land, and have enough area to build a nice building like this. We built a fully steel 40 by 70 building from Great Western. We had a a barn that burned down, and so this replaces that, but this is heads and tails above what we had before. This adds concrete pad. Every wall and ceiling are now insulated. It's steel, it's all fireproof, so we won't run into that fire problem ever again. In this building, we use it as a kind of a overflow garage or shop area. I have a tractor. I also have a side-by-side and dirt bikes that we can work on. And in here, also anything that I need to do for the house, a woodworking area. I have a welder in here if I ever need to weld up anything. So it's basically an overflow shop area where we have plenty of room to do anything that might come up in the future. So we did a partition wall at 2/3 in order to be able to separate overflow house storage. And so in order to separate that, we did liner panel with insulation on the back, which looks like a finished room on the inside on this side, and on the other side, it provides great storage space and fully insulated on that side as well. The electrical we ran 80 amp from the main panel in the garage. Out here we have 3 220 lines, so I have a welder, an air compressor, and an extra 220 line that we can use if ever needed. We overdid 110 outlets every 10 feet so that we'd have plenty of electrical. We had electrical added in the roof corners for cameras and all the sensors that are needed for the security system. We added electrical on the outside as well, and there's GFIs on every section and have as much electrical as needed for anything that we might do in the future. I'd like to thank my wife for all the support of the time and money that it took to build a building, and she was very supportive of that. I'd like to thank Mammoth. They were the company that did the erection, and they were absolutely phenomenal. Ryan and Michael, the owners of the company, were on point. They stuck to budget. They went above and beyond in everything they did. I also want to thank Great Western. They've been outstanding in helping me every step of the way, from the original design to the redesign. And then we did a color change, and they were able to stay on top of that and get me exactly what I ordered and on time. And it was a great process.